Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ashok from India. Today I am going to share my speech about the person Tara. She is one of the contestants of America's reputed reality television show Wheel of Fortune. People can watch her performance in Wheel of Fortune game show on May 4, 2026. She team up with John and features in Wheel of Fortune game show. Her full name is Tara Guidbashian. She is living in Denver, which is located in Colorado. She is native to Portland, which is located in Oregon. She is working as a real estate broker at Compass. She is working as a real estate broker for more than 6 years. She is the former communications manager at Adidas. Let me speak about her education. She studied in a university, reputed university known as University of San Diego. She studied in a high school, reputed high school known as Sunset High School. She loves to watch basketball game. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please click the subscribe button if you want to get latest Wheel of Fortune updates.